Let's learn how to do button click event in Android. Open a blank project. Main activity.kt file. This is Kotlin file. We can see this file here inside the Java folder. Design window included in resource folder. Inside layout directory. The current design file is the activity main file. We can include it in set content view. When it is opened, the environment for designing is available. All widgets are available in this palette. First, we can select the text view. Drag it to the design window. We can set constraints by clicking and dragging the four-sided round. Connect every edge. We can also arrange the position by dragging the layout in here. We can adjust the size by dragging this corner. Then we can add button in the same method. Then change some attributes of text view. This is text attribute. Change to hair. Text size is available in common attribute. In here. Then align center. Size 34. Then change text color in here. Select any color. Give an ID to the text view. Refactor. Set a text and ID for button also. Refactor. Take the code window. The activity main page that we have just designed is included in the set content view here. Declare a variable. That is for text view widget. txtdisp. Find view by ID. Type is text view. Text view widget is imported in top. Then call our created text view ID, r dot. R means resource. Dot ID. Then select our view ID. A button can also be declared in a variable in the same way. Then create a button click event. There is a spelling mistake in ID, click. Let's see how to refactor it. Change in here. Refactor. It's okay changed here also. Button variable. Dot. Set on click listener. Double click it. Then here. Add the code for changing the text of the text view. Text view ID. Dot. Text. Equals. Give any text for displaying. Then run the app. Text changed in button click. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.